I'm Solo Delay. I'm the choir master at the Nawaka Methodist Church. The choir at the Nawaka village has been singing for more than 100 years. It makes us proud to be chosen to represent Fiji, to be Fiji's ambassador to the world. I have 5 children who are all in the choir. This is the second eldest.
My name is Luciana Delay and I am the soloist. My dad, the choir master, is a very humble guy.
I was brought up in the family that sings all the time. If I don't want to sing, I'll have to get away from home and go somewhere else. If I come home, I'll start singing, just like my daughter.
Nawaka village is like a little bit of heaven. Most of all, we just come together and we sing in unison.
I was really happy, very, very happy, and I like singing.
Fijian songs don't come with music. We just enjoy them singing. When we sing choral music, we have to control our voices. We go by the books, we follow the music.
My name is Nico Mbatindingi and I'm in the Nawaka Church Choir, and usually in the tenor, and sometimes I always go down to the bass. Solo is he's a nice choir master. Blind person or disabled person or able person, it's not all different to him. I'm a normal person to him in the choir.
My name is Rufino. I'm a good tenor.
It was a long day and tiredness came in, but I encouraged the members.
My father, he's very funny. He likes to joke around. That's my dad. A very good role model. Makes me feel happy that I can give back to the village and also to the choir. It's one of my dreams. I want to make a solo album, at least just one, with my dad helping me.
She's my daughter, and I feel proud.